Welcome to our channel. In today's topic, we're going to discuss about Delhi's water crisis. The national capital of India, Delhi, faced an acute water shortage during the scorching summer of 2024. As temperatures soared to a record-breaking high of 52.9 degrees Celsius, the city grappled with an unprecedented water crisis. The situation was exacerbated by the delayed arrival of the southwest monsoon, which was not expected until late June. Key issues and causes reduced water supply. The water supply had decreased to 969 million gallons per day, falling short of the required 1,290 mgd. The shortfall of 321 mgd severely impacted daily life for residents, making it harder to cope with the scorching heat. Appeals for assistance. Delhi. Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal urged the BJP-led governments in Haryana and Uttar Pradesh to provide water to the national capital for at least a month. The government also imposed a penalty of Rs 2,000 for water wastage and formed 200 teams to monitor defaulters. Future prospects. Heatwave impact. Despite the legal battle, the heatwave persisted, with daytime temperatures ranging from 29 degrees C to a scorching 45 degrees C until early June 3rd. The crisis extended beyond water scarcity, affecting other aspects of daily life. Conclusion. The Delhi water crisis of June 2024 underscored the urgency of sustainable water management and the need for collaborative efforts among neighbouring states. As the city grappled with extreme heat, securing access to water remained a critical challenge for its residents. But please do subscribe to our channel, like, share and comment down below in the comment section. Goodbye!